हाय एवरीवन। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखें। सॉल्यूशन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 2B फ्रॉम नंबर 8 to 14. Number 8. A man of mass 50 kg climbs up a ladder of height 10 meter. Calculate the work done by the man and the increase in the potential energy. Take G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. So mass of the man is given 50 kg. Mass is given 50 kg. Okay. Height of the ladder. Height of the ladder is given as 10 meter. Okay. Height of the ladder is given as 10 meter. Calculate the work done by the man. Okay. Work done. That is the energy. Work done is equal to mgh since it is climbing. So m into g. It is given in the question to take 9.8. So 9.8 into 10. Okay. Then 500 into 9.8. That will come 4900 joule. 4900 joule. Okay. Second part. Increase in his potential energy. Okay. Increase in its potential energy. See, he is climbing at a height of 10 meter. This is the ladder. 10 meter. Here it is 0. So this is, we will consider as h2. We will consider at as h1. Okay. So increase in potential energy is equal to mg h2 minus h1. So m, that is 50 into g is 9.8, 10 minus 0, that is again 4900 joule. Question number 9. A block A whose height is 200 Newton, a block A whose weight is 200 Newton is pulled up a slope of length 5 meter by means of a constant force F that is equal to 150 Newton. Okay. So let us draw the diagram. A diagram is given there. First question is, what is the work done by the force F in moving the block A 5 meter along the slope? Okay. Now see number 1. F is given how much? 150 Newton. Okay. Work done by the force in moving the block 5 meter along the slope. 5 meter. So the displacement is 5 meter. Okay. So work done will be equal to Fs. Since the movement and direction is equal to in the same direction, so theta is equal to 0. So F cos theta is equal to 1. So work done will be equal to 150 into 5, that is equal to 750 joule. B. By how much has the potential energy of the block A increased? The potential energy gained by the block, that is the potential energy gained by the block equal to mgh, where height is equal to 3 meter. So 150 into, okay, mass is given as, in question weight is given as 200 Newton. Okay. So 200 into 3, that is equal to 600 joule. Why I have not multiplied G here? Because 200 Newton it is given. Okay, means mg completely given into 3, that is 600 joule. Number C. Account for the difference in the work done by the force and the increase in the potential energy of the block. See the difference, that is 150 joule. Energy is used in doing the work against the friction between the block and the slope, which will appear as heat energy. The difference used in doing work against friction between the block between the block and slope, between the block and the slope. Okay, what is the difference? So 750 minus 600, that is 150 joule. This is the extra energy, extra energy which is in the form of heat, which is in the form of heat. Number 10, find the kinetic energy of the body of mass 1 kg moving with a uniform velocity of 10 meter per second square. What is the data given? The data given, mass is equal to 1 kg, okay, velocity is equal to 10 meter per second. Okay, the kinetic energy will be equal to half mv square. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Let us find. See, half mv square. Okay, that will come up to 550, that is 50 joule. Okay. Question number 11. If the speed of the car is halved, how does its kinetic energy change? Okay, let us see. See, mass and velocity, only velocity difference it is given. Mass is same of the car. So the speed of the car is halved. Means initially let it be V1. The final will be, sorry, V1 is equal to V. So V2 final velocity will be V by 2. Okay, mass is same, m. Here it is also m. So what is the difference in the kinetic energy? How does it change? See, let us see. Here the kinetic energy will be equal to half mv square. Okay, that is kinetic energy of the first body. So the kinetic energy of the second body will be how much? Half mv square, means v square by 4, that is v by 2. So v square by 4. Okay. Acha, we know that, see, kinetic energy 2, half mv square. What is half mv square? Kinetic energy of 1, kinetic energy of 1 into 1 by 4. Therefore, when the kinetic energy, when speed is halved, when the speed is halved, the kinetic energy decreases. It becomes 1/4. Kinetic energy becomes 1/4. Okay. Number 12. Two bodies of equal masses are moving with uniform velocities v and 2v. Same question. See, v1 is equal to v and v2 is equal to 2v. Mass is m, mass is m. So the kinetic energy 1 will be half mv square. Kinetic energy 2 will be half m v square, means 4v square. So it will be 4 of kinetic energy 1. Therefore, kinetic energy 1 by kinetic energy 2 will be equal to 1 by 4. Kinetic energy of 1 by kinetic energy of 2 will be 1 by 4, because it is 4 times of kinetic energy 1. So this will go down. See, kinetic energy we will multiply 4, we will get kinetic energy 2. So 1 by 4. The ratio will be 1:4. A car is running at a speed of 15 km per hour while another similar car is moving at a speed of 30 km per hour. Find the ratio of their kinetic energy. Same question. See, V1 here it is given 15 km per hour. V2 is given 30 km per hour. So see, 15 km and 30 km, since the velocity is doubled. Here also in the previous question, v1 was equal to v and v2 was equal to 2v. So the speed was doubled. The speed was doubled means the kinetic energy is 4 times the kinetic energy of first one. Okay. Since we have to find the ratio of the kinetic energy. So here also v is doubled. So kinetic energy will be again, see, kinetic energy 1 by kinetic energy 2 will be 1 by 4. How? See, half m v square, means 15 into 15 by half m 30 into 30. So it will come, this will cancel out, this 2 means 1 by 4. So the ratio is 1:4. Number 14. A bullet of mass 0.5 kg slows down from a speed of 5 meter per second to that of 3 meter per second. Calculate the change in kinetic energy of the ball. So what is given? Mass of the ball, that is 0.5 kg. Initial velocity means v1, that is equal to 5 meter per second, that is initial velocity. So the kinetic energy 1 will be equal to half m v square, 5 into 5, that will come 6.25 joule, 6.25 joule. Okay, the final velocity of the ball is 3 meter per second. So kinetic energy 2 will be half m v square, again 3 into 3. So it will come half m v square, it will come 2.25 joule. So change in kinetic energy, that is equal to 6.25 minus 2.25. okay, that is change in kinetic energy. See, one thing we have to consider here, initial velocity is 6.25. okay, final velocity is this much, means the final velocity is this one. So this will be plus and this will be minus. okay, we will get minus 4 joule. What does this mean? Because this means that the bullet was retarded, means the velocity of the bullet was decreased. This decreased the kinetic energy of the ball.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an